a super fun pirouette and the horse challenge for you. We're going to be doing pirouette from every position that you can imagine. And if I miss one, please let me know in the comments below so I can make a new combo for you. Now if we are ready, let's learn this and the horse pirouette challenge for all of us. Very simple. Effacé, left leg in front, and we are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi-plie, 1, and a stretch. 2, pirouette, 3, second position. And a stretch, and plie, pirouette, fourth position. And a stretch, plie. One simple pirouette that finish to the back. We are going to step, and step, tali, plie, tombe, pirouette and the horse, fourth position, releve, plie, double pirouette, finish, en tournant, releve, chaîné, chaîné, arabesque. Just that, very simple. We do a pirouette from fourth, from fifth, from second. We do double pirouettes and we do tombe, piquant de horse as well. One more time in slow motion. No, you can go back and you can review the video. I'm going to do it one more time, everything quick. Now, this is not about being perfect, it's just about enjoying. And because we have two sides, I'm going to mark everything to the left side. Right leg in front. We are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie, 1, and a stretch, and your pirouette. Second position, and a stretch, and plie, and pirouette. Fourth position, releve. Only simple. Finish behind you, and walk, and a step, plie. Tombe, piquant de horse, fourth position, releve, plie. Your doubles. I'm talking and I don't think I can do it. Ha! Spot on. Next, you're going to turn, releve, and just 1 or 2 counts of chaînés. 1, 2, finish. Now, you don't need too much space for this exercise, which is great. Very important for this exercise. Keep those arms together. Remember which side you're turning. Knees and the horse, so it's going to be away from the camera constantly. Remember which side is going to push back. Remember the spot when it's double pirouettes. And I would be very proud of you if you use that coordination of the arms, the Cuban Ballet School. Okay? Plie open, close, together. Now let's have fun and let's do it with music. So much fun. I hope that you like it. You did so. Please let me know in the comments down below as well. Share, subscribe, like this video, everything that you can do to help my channel to grow and get to more people. Now, tomorrow we have pirouettes and the dance challenge, so I hope that you stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Did I say that already? Yeah, whatever. I will see you tomorrow.